Okay, you've downloaded this spreadsheet, which is full of almost 1,200 courses, and you need to know if there's a course here that's relevant to you, or perhaps you're looking for a course on a particular topic. This video is going to show you how to find something. If you want to test the course, you'll do that on the demo site, and I'll talk about that at the end of the tutorial. But basically, we've put every single course that we offer on our LMS in this spreadsheet. All the relevant information is here that you'll need, such as the module ID if you're going to request a course. You also find topics. So if you're looking for courses on management, you can come here and look at our different topics and filter this out so that you're only seeing management and leadership. It makes it a little easier to scroll through and check out the different courses and the titles that we have. I'm going to go ahead and clear this filter. You can also, of course, search in this file if you want to search for keywords. Since the descriptions are here, that will help. I'd also like to point out that we've added a couple of fields, whether or not it's available for your level of access. So level 2 and level 3 have access to virtually everything. Level 1, these, if a course says yes, it should be loaded on your LMS already. And if you're looking for a course and it says no, that means it's not available to level 1 members. So that's very helpful. Also, we've added a date the courses were added. So if you wanted to sort this file by creation date, you can see if you've missed anything. If you haven't refreshed your LMS in a while, be sure to come in here and check and see what we've added recently. We've added a bunch of courses at the end of last year, as well as many courses beginning of July 2019. Now, if you want to test any of these courses, just email support@humentum.org. Let them know that you need a test account. All members get one test account, so you can test these courses for free. Remember, SCORM Dispatch users, if you wanted to add these courses to your SCORM Dispatch, you should be able to get the description and everything here. Let us know if you have any questions as always, and thanks for watching.